Kia ora. Ko Kaitahu, ka te Māmoe, Waitaha, me Ngāti Kaungunu o ke iwi. No Awaroa Hau, ko Corey Bragg Takaingua. My name is Corey and I am the Kaumātua Housing Project Manager from Bluff. And it's, I guess, a pleasure today to have with me one of our kaumātua, and it's Valerie Goff. We fit under the National Science Challenge for building better homes in towns and cities, and our part is we've been gifted the Kaumātua Housing Toolkit, and that's actually helped us all the way through that process. Not only that step by step what we need to do, but having those mentors and the guidance at the critical times that we need. We've also done surveys within our communities, within our community in Bluff, and we had in back end of 2020 we surveyed 56 of our own kaumātua, and they were asked questions around their current housing situation, what should be the selection criteria for our kaumātua housing project, and we were able to identify some key priorities for our research, and that's, I guess, in summary what we've done to date, and will certainly be due to COVID and the pandemic, slight delays with the back end of the project, but once we have all of our kaumātua settled into those units, we'll be able to come back in and just ask them the questions of how they're finding the units, is it working, how can we improve.
And we had input and quite enjoyed that, because people are old, they don't want to be crammed into little spaces, and they like to have room for grandchildren and so forth, so it's important.
Yep. We have 6 kaumātua units. They are 50 square metres each, and they're centred around our marae and Bluff at Te Rauaroha. We have our early childhood centre next door, and we also have a number of services throughout the Runanga. We have our Māori health provider, Awaroa Whānau Services. We have Awaroa Synergy, that's our subsidiary company that's looking at insulation and heating within homes. So we've got a number of amazing initiatives, but at this stage, one of our, I guess my key focus as a project manager is ensuring that we have these 6 units ready for our kaumātua to move in. Beyond this project, we're looking at acquiring some land where we can look at whānau housing. So we've been part of that program since August 2019, and since that started, we've had some amazing support from all the researchers, and all the way through from our, I guess, helping us articulate our vision, our aspirations, talking with our kaumātua and focus groups,